Today we will be working with 3/8 inch thick metal. I've done taken the drill bit, drilled a hole through the metal. Now this is the bit that came with the Kobalt tap and drill set I got up at Lowe's. I will leave a link in the description, and also there will be a link in the description for my video on how to drill a hole through metal, and that'll kind of get you started and get caught up. Now if you're new to this is what a tap looks like. It'll tap wood, metal, plastics, many other things, but today we're going to be using it for metal. So let's get started on that. Now the tap is slightly tapered on the end where it'll barely fit into the hole. So we're going to set it in there. We're going to take some WD-40 and really soak it down. And we're going to push right on the center of the ratchet as we turn. It will start cutting threads. It'll start eating into the metal very slightly. And we have to keep good pressure. And what we want to make sure we're doing is not letting it go crooked. So you don't want to get real over aggressive with it. Just kind of turn it. Soak it down some. And what I like to do is go about half a turn to a full turn, and then I back it back up. I wash the shavings out with the WD-40. Then I go back into forward. I want to just about a quarter of a turn, kind of ease off. Another little bit of a turn. That'll be about half a turn. Then I'm going to back up. I'm going to wash it out a little bit. I'm going to back up. Then I'm going to go forward again. Trust me, this is the process. You do not want to break that tap off in that metal. Just kind of turn it. That right there is going to be about almost a full turn. WD-40. Go back into reverse. Take it almost all the way out. Soak it down again. Go back into forward. Just going very easy, not really pulling super hard on it. I want to turn it a little bit more. Spray some more WD-40 on there. We're going to back up again. Take it almost all the way out. Go forward again. You can tell you're already getting a lot of grooves cut in there. Now we're just going to just barely ease it in there. We'll back up a little bit. Sometimes it'll get kind of hang up in there, and you just want to work it back and forth. Just like that. You get some shavings that'll kind of hang you up. It's nothing to worry about. Spray it down again. Right here, we're just going to pull a little bit. Go backwards. Some more WD-40. And what that's going to do is it keeps the shavings washed out. Keep it from binding up on us. There's a good turn right there. Now I can tell we're about to break through because it's not giving as much resistance. So what I'm going to do, soak it some more. I'm going to turn. Because yeah, we are breaking through now. And once you break through, put more WD-40 on there. Now what we're going to do is go ahead. Just keep turning. It's cutting good threads now. It has broken through on the bottom side. I want to take the die almost all the way down. I like to go about right there and no further. Then what I do here, I'm going to soak from the top. And then I'm going to wash it from the bottom to get the shavings out of the groove. Then I take my time, I back it up. It feels good. Cut some good grooves in it. I'm going to wipe it off. I'm going to squirt some WD-40 down in here to clean the threads out. Clean it up real good. Then we'll take our 1/2-inch bolt and check our threads real quick. Nice and smooth. Another tools I used in today's video was this Kobalt 1/2-inch by 13 tap and drill set I grabbed up at Lowe's. I will leave a link in the description. I used a small ratchet with a 5/16 socket. And of course we used a whole lot of WD-40.